All right. Hello. What do you think about UMA? Can it be a top 10 project? Okay. I mean, UMA did pretty well in the last DeFi season. It did a 15x, which is not bad. It got added to Coinbase. So it basically passed the Coinbase test, which means that if newbies enter crypto, they can buy it on Coinbase and it can really go. And the technology, we do have this reviewed on our platform. The technology is decent, it's good, right? So we know that it's not like a scam, basically. Now, we have covered this before on the show, and we were pretty bullish on it. But looking at this right now, it's just okay. And once we switch to the quant grade, we'll better be able to assess where we think it's going. Right now, the price prediction just shows it basically being flat on the site. So not really seeing much here. Bill, are you seeing anything on the TA front?
So I'm always keeping my eye on like the UMAs and the DIAs of the world, right? To see if there's anything interesting happening. Okay, so it's Sunday, November 22nd. This is basically a daily chart. And what you can see with UMA is that, people who got caught holding bags just kept on selling, right? They sold early October, mid-October, and they have done nothing but sell for the whole month of November. So every time it goes green, there's a seller. So, okay. Now, I'm torn on this because this is the time, this is what all alts looked like before the last alt season, right? Everything was just sort of like making a base. Everyone was in the process of giving up. Okay. And here's what I'll tell you. I don't want to give up on any altcoin on Coinbase. Yes, this is not trading well. Obviously, people made more money in Aave, Uni, Yearn. This action right now, it's kind of dumping a little here. This is like a short-term chart. Okay. But the thing is, you see these greens, right? These green sections on this short-term chart. Bulls are trying to run this up. They're trying to run it up. And I don't know if I want to give up on anything that's on Coinbase. I'm not trying to be a Coinbase pump guy, but folks, the whole world's coming to crypto. The whole world's coming. And they got to start at either Binance or Coinbase or, if they're going to trade, right? So, somebody who doesn't know anything about crypto will start with Bitcoin and Ethereum, but they're eventually it's not a big list. It's not a big list, right? There's like Band Protocol, UMA, OMG, REN. There's not a lot of choices. So, okay, is this exciting right this second? No. Would I buy this as a part of a portfolio, like allocate 2%? Sure. Because again, remember the waves from earlier, right? What happens if this is like a little wave and then, some kind of catalyst comes out? I mean, the worst scenario right now is it's between 7 and 9 and it's boring. The best case scenario is it goes to 21. I don't know anything about it per se, but don't give up on small coins.
Well said, especially if it's on Coinbase. Now, so going back to the question, can this be a top 10 coin? I would say anything is possible in crypto, right? But I think it's unlikely. I'll probably look at synthetics getting to top 10 status faster than UMA would, even though I'm bullish on both projects. But with that being said, I think it's possible in crypto. So tell us down below, do you think UMA can become a top 10 coin? There was a comment here. Ben J says, I don't know if UMA can become a top 10, but anything is possible, I guess. Yeah, anything is possible in crypto. We saw Chainlink do it. Anything is possible. If they can rally a community, they can go to the moon and beyond. So tell us what you think down in the comments below.